do you see a distinction between a small number of folks on a board versus a large number of folks on a board? Is a board size somehow impactful in terms of the efficacy of the board?
Adam, the short answer is absolutely yes. And the research actually bears that out. When you get to board sizes typically above 13 or 14, we start to lose the effectiveness. And the major reason is that, as we would all know it, I think if your students think about when you've got a group of 3 people in a team or a group project versus 13 people, you know that your level of commitment and engagement and your ownership of I need to do this versus it'll get done by someone diminishes dramatically. The ability of a CEO or a leadership team to engage with 15 or 20 or 30 board members and say, Adam, I know you really bring this skill set, but then to say, Kelly, I know you bring this skill set. I really want to engage with you, or Matthew or Cynthia, to start engaging one-on-one with board members to get the value of their talent, their expertise, and their time. It's really hard when you get, big boards. And you also find that there's duplication in some of the expertise and the skill sets. So I think the sweet spot that we found worked best was somewhere in that 9 to 15. If you get smaller than that, if you've got committees of 2 or 3 people, it's not really that effective because, again, and I didn't say this, I should have said this, what you are striving for is actually diversity of thought and perspective to lead to better decision-making on the part of the board. That means you need more people, but too many people creates disengagement, and too few people does not give you the complete 360 view and the perspective you need to make better decisions.